Boiled gyoza or sui gyoza is a Japanese-style Chinese dumplings that's cooked in boiling water instead of pan-fried. A mixture of ground pork and finely chopped vegetable is wrapped in a homemade flour-based dough, then boiled and served with vinegary soy sauce for dipping. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we prepare the gyoza skin. Combine all-purpose flour, salt, and water, stirring with a spatula. Once the dough comes together, knead it by hand for a couple of minutes. Then wrap with a plastic wrap and let rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the filling. Finely mince the cabbage. You can also use napa cabbage if you like. Sprinkle with some salt and let sit for a few minutes. Then remove excess moisture with a paper towel. Finely mince the brown onion as well. You can also use green onion or garlic chives. Transfer the cabbage and onion to a large bowl, add the ground pork, grated ginger, and some salt, soy sauce, sake, potato starch, and sesame oil, and mix well with a spatula. For dipping sauce, mix the soy sauce, vinegar, and chili oil and set aside. Now we are making the gyoza skin. Unwrap the dough and divide into 15 pieces. Then roll out each dough ball into 3-inch rounds, dusting with flour or starch to prevent sticking. Then take about 1 teaspoon of the filling and place on the skin and fold in half to wrap the filling. Pinch the end to seal, and we make 15 pieces. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Carefully drop the gyoza in boiling water and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. And strain and serve in a dish with some of the cooking water to avoid sticking. Serve with the dipping sauce. Boiled gyoza is a lighter and healthier alternative to pan-fried gyoza. Serve with rice for dinner, or this can be a great appetizer by itself. Hope you give this a try soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。